I'll guide you on setting up face tracking in CapCut on your phone. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth process, as you can see here. This process is quite easy, done quickly and simply, as you can see here with just a few simple steps. Open CapCut, add your video featuring a person with head and face movement. This sets the stage for tracking, as you can see here. Next, click on your video in the timeline, as you can see here, and locate the camera tracking feature. This is crucial for the process, so make sure to find it carefully. Click Camera Tracking, then select Custom, as you can see here carefully. Position the square over the person's face, ensuring it's centered, then press Track to initiate the tracking process. Generation is in progress, and once complete, we'll be able to view the result, as you can see here. In principle, we can already observe it, but it will soon finish processing. Alright, let's watch the result carefully, as you can see here. Alright, let's remove this part and watch the result carefully together. The person is writing, and their face moves there. As you can see, it all looks really great and smooth, as expected. It's very realistic, and you could even make some films with it indeed. That's basically it. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.